Hello there and welcome to N1802. This is at 333 First Street in the Metropolitan building. We have an absolutely gorgeous light-filled one bedroom. All new hardwood floors. Nice sized kitchen with a gas stove. Great refrigerator, lots of cabinet space. And we've got a dishwasher here as well. We'll take a little walk into the great room here. As you can tell, there is so much light. It is absolutely amazingly gorgeous. You could probably even get a tan in here, just sitting on your own floor. Floor-to-ceiling windows, views of all of downtown. On a clear day, you can even see San Bruno Mountains, which is kind of neat. We'll go ahead and we'll take a nice walk into the bedroom. Just a few more bits of the view because it looks so beautiful, especially on a sunny day like today. So we've got hardwood floors in the great room, then we've got tile in the kitchen, and then we move on into the bathroom and bedroom area. Bedroom's got nice carpeting in here. Again, lots and lots of light, lots of space. So we're going to take a little walk now to see exactly how much storage space there is in here. It's amazing. Nice big walk-in closet. Lots of inserts for you, rails, shelving, and drawers. So you can fit absolutely everything. And then we'll take a nice walk into the bathroom. Good amount of space in here. Marble tiles. And last but not least, we'll go ahead and check out the washer dryer. Hidden nice and compactly right into a little closet here. So again, we'll take one more look out the windows because it's a beautiful day. You can see all the construction going on. Really nice and quiet though. You can't hear anything at all from the street noise. We are up on the 18th floor, so that makes sense. Salesforce Tower, as I mentioned, is very close. There's a lovely walking park along the top of it above the Transbay Terminal. And there we go. Thank you so much for joining us here at N1802 at 333 First Street.